let's melt some crayons. For this project, you're going to need some crayons. You probably want to just use the broken ones, maybe the stray stragglers that you have around the house, canvas board or a canvas. And you can use a heat gun to melt the crayons, or I like a hairdryer, and we all have one of those. You're just going to hold the hairdryer, blast you a little heat in an area, and then maybe about 3-4 seconds, and then you can just hold your crayon over that area and it will just start melting, and you'll feel it glide. It's going to be wet and it will dry, and it will feel just like a crayon does. You'll have a little texture on top of your canvas. You can move the crayon with your finger if you need to, or blend it, or you can do what I did for the background. I'm going to use a paintbrush. You can layer your colors, you can blend colors, and you can even create some texture. So have fun playing with some melted crayons and see what you can come up with. And like all of our projects, they are meant to be a reminder of God's word. And this one reminds us that broken pieces still have a purpose, and God can use your brokenness and make something beautiful out of it if you trust Him with it.